A Virginia man accused of killing the superintendent of the Clymer Schools. Our cameras were turned away for a sudden evidence hearing today. This comes just a day before jury selection is expected to get underway. News 4's Ed Dranch is live in Chautauqua County tonight. Ed?
Jackie, neither side would say what that all-important evidence actually is, but because of a judge's ruling here today, we know it'll likely come out in trial. Anthony Taglianetti sat in the Chautauqua County courtroom while his lawyer, Ned Barone, argued the prosecution is withholding important evidence crucial to this murder case.
I can't talk about specifics. There was an issue that arose yesterday at the beginning of jury selection. We were informed of some information by the district attorney we had not previously known about.
Taglianetti is accused of shooting and killing Clymer School Superintendent Keith Reed outside his Chautauqua County home last year. Did the evidence have to do with a potential confession from Mr. Taglianetti?
I can't comment on any of that.
District Attorney David Foley says Taglianetti drove from Virginia to Western New York and killed Reed after an alleged affair with Taglianetti's wife. Are you arguing that Taglianetti came to Western New York to kill Mr. Reed?
I'm not going to talk about the facts of the case on the eve of trial.
Foley says the evidence was not withheld from the public.
The information that we sought to admit at court, we turned over certain information regarding that yesterday. My reading of New York State case law indicates that we are not required to turn over the information, certain information regarding this issue until just before trial.
The evidentiary hearing was closed to the media. Both sides requested these arguments be held behind closed doors.
It had to do with the sensitive nature of the evidence that the people were seeking to admit.
This hearing halted jury selection in the case as Anthony Taglianetti prepares to stand trial 1 year after he was arrested by U.S. Marshals and charged with second-degree murder. Jury selection is expected to start back up here in Chautauqua County tomorrow morning at 9:30. So will there be a change of venue in this case because of all the publicity it's received? We'll touch on that coming up tonight on News 4 at 6.